is almost synonymous to chicken inasal. You might be wondering, how did a military fort become famous for its food? Fort San Pedro, or Fuerza de la Nuestra Señora del Rosario, was built by the Spaniards around the years 1603 to 1616. It was seized by the Japanese forces and was heavily bombed by the Americans during World War II. In 1963, the Cordovas, hailing from Lapaz, Iloilo City, established a drive-in restaurant, replacing the site where the historic fort once stood. They serve a variety of grilled meats, but their chicken in asal is what stood out the most. The seaside spot with a view of the Iloilo Strait and Guimaras Island is perfect for a leisurely afternoon stroll, enjoying the sunset and having dinner and drinks while enjoying a live band and the sound of the waves crashing on the background. The place has seen some better days though, as it needs some sprucing up to cope with the changing times and demands of the fast growing metropolitan city that Iloilo has become. Nevertheless, patrons from far and wide still make a visit to partake of the juiciest chicken in asal in town, where every bite is reminiscent of old Iloilo in its pure and tasty form.